Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing very well. Today we will discuss about the living and non-living things around us. All things which are present in this world can be classified into living and non-living things. Things that can grow, move, breathe, eat, and reproduce are called living things. For example, animals, birds, insects, plants, and human beings. Things that cannot grow, cannot move, cannot breathe, cannot eat, and cannot reproduce by themselves are called non-living things. For example, car, bench, chalk, book, etc. Here are some of the characteristics of living things. First, all living organisms use energy to grow. All living things grow. Human, animal, insects, birds, plants, all grows. And the size of living things changes as time goes by. Second, they reproduce. Living things make more of their kind. Some of the living things lays eggs and some of the living things give birth to young ones. And a new plant grows by the seed. Some animals give birth to their young ones. For example, deer, elephant, horse, rhinoceros are all the animals which give directly birth to their young ones. But some of the animals lays eggs. For example, penguin, turtle, birds, all the birds, they all lays eggs to reproduce their young ones. Plants reproduce by making seeds. For example, a small seed grows into a new plant. Third characteristics of living things is living things respond to the world around them. For example, plants in a shade bend towards light, and when a bird sees a cat and feels danger, it may fly. Living things can grow, move, and need food. People, animals, and plants are living things. A seed grows to become a tree. A baby grows to become an adult. A puppy grows to become a dog. A tadpole grows to become a frog. A chick grows to become a hen. All the animals, birds, and human beings grows. All living things dies. Also, the all living things die. So these are all the characteristics of living things. Also, the all living things need food, water, and air. Living things cannot live without food, water, and air. Now let us talk about the non-living things. Non-living things cannot grow, cannot move, and they don't need food. For example, a table, a car, a pencil, a house, doll, fan, mountains, clouds, these all are non-living things. They will not grow, they will not move, and they don't need food. Some non-living things are natural, which means that people don't make them. For example, air, sun, rocks, water, moon, clouds, these are all the natural non-living things. And some non-living things are man-made, which means that people can make them. For example, table, fan, house, pencil, bridge, car, these are all non-living things which people can make. So, here are the clear characteristics of non-living things and living things. That is, living things grow, move, breathe, eat, and reproduce. But non-living things do not grow, do not move, do not breathe, do not eat, and do not reproduce. Here are some of the questions to understand the clear concept of living things and non-living things. Here some of the pictures are given. You have to look at each picture, think about what a living thing needs and does. Click yes or no to answer whether it is a living thing or non-living thing. Here you can see some of the pictures: dog, truck, shoe, snake, brush, crab, grasshopper, table, and other examples are there. If they are living things, we have to put yes. If they are non-living things, we have to put no. Likewise, here on the left side, here some pictures are there: insect, clock, bird, flower, and a star. Here some columns are there: does it breathe, does it eat, does it move, does it reproduce. Hence it is living or non-living. Here down to the page, some of the pictures are there. We have to classify these pictures into living things and non-living things based on their characteristics. So this all about the living things and non-living things. I hope you understood this topic. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel Kids Fun Schooling for more updates and useful videos. Thanks for watching.